Hello dear children, this is the first video of this week, class 8, chapter number 5, Introduction to Java. And dear students, I have done a lot of hard work in preparing this video and you will learn many things when you watch this video. So I hope you will watch this video till end. Okay, and now coming to the topic children. In the previous class, we have discussed about unary operators, program to show the use of unary operators, relational operators, and program to show the use of relational operators. We have discussed about operators and we have also discussed some of the important types of operators which is used in Java. So today we will discuss about logical operators, use of logical operators in Java program, next assignment operator and use of assignment operator in Java program. So let us come to the topic operators. We will revise the operators once again. Operators are special symbols that represent operations that can be carried out on variables, constants, or expressions. These are some special symbols which are used for some calculations, which are used for some operations which should be carried out on variables, constant, or expressions. For example, you can see these are the plus sign, minus sign, multiplication sign, division sign. So these are all operators of Java which are used for calculations or to check the conditions, to check some logical decision. Okay. Now there are different types of operators available in Java. You can see these are the different types of operators. And we have already discussed about some of the important operators of Java. That is arithmetic operators, unary operators, increment, decrement operators, relational operators. These topics has been discussed. Now let us come to the logical operators. The logical operators combine the result of one or more than two expressions. The logical expressions returns 1 if the result is true, otherwise it returns 0. And you can see the logical operators provided by Java are double ampersand sign, which is known as logical and, this symbol which is known as logical or you can see sign of exclamation, which is known as logical not in Java. Okay, and logical operators check the condition of more than one statement. It checks the condition of more than one expressions or more than one statement. Okay, and if both the, after checking the conditions of more than one statements or expressions, it will return the result or it will execute the statement. Now the program to show the use of logical operators. This is a Java program which I have created. So let us open Java and write the same program in it so that you can see how to run a Java program. Okay, now click on the start button, then you have to click on all apps, then select BlueJ. Click on BlueJ. This is your BlueJ window which is opening, children. This is your BlueJ window. This type of window will open in front of you. For opening BlueJ, first you need to download the setup file from visiting on the site www.bluej.org. You can download the setup file and after downloading it, you have to install it in your system. Then go to Start, select all programs and then click on BlueJ to start it. Okay, I've already started it. Now click on project, then you will click on new project to create your project. I have already created my project, so I will click on open project. This is my project which I have created. Now right click on it, click on open editor to view its code. I have written this program, children. You can see every Java program must start with the class name. Then main function will be written because Java program starts executing from the main function. I have taken three variables of integer data type int a, b, c. I have given some values to it and I am checking the condition. This is the program to find the greatest number, greatest of three numbers, a, b and c. There are three numbers and this program will find the greatest of three numbers. Now it will check the condition. If a is greater than b and a is greater than c, it will check both the conditions. If both the conditions are true, then it will execute this statement. Greatest number is a. Now here you can see I have used logical operator, double ampersand sign. These are logical operators. And if this statement is not true, the command will come to this statement. Else if b is greater than a and b is greater than c, means again it will check both the conditions. This AND operator will check both the conditions. Okay, if both the conditions are true, then this statement will be printed. Greatest number is plus b. And again, if this statement finds to be false, if this statement is not true, the command will go to the next statement. Else if c is greater than a and c is greater than b, again it will check both the conditions. C is greater than a and as well as c is greater than b. It means c is the greatest number, so it will print greatest number is c. So which statement is correct? The computer Java program will print that statement only. Okay, the statement which is correct. Now after writing the program, you have to click on compile button to compile your program. You can see when you click on compile button, the message will be displayed at the bottom. Class compiled, no syntax error. You can close this box, you can close this window and right click on it. Click on void main string args to run the program. Okay, click on OK to view its output. You can see it has printed the greatest number is 408923. This is the greatest number. In this way, you can use the logical operators, children. Now coming to the another topic. Now come to the assignment operators. Assignment operators in Java is used to assign some values. The assignment operator is represented by symbol equals to. It takes the value on the right and stores it in the variable on the left side. For example, if you write x equals to y plus 30, it means x has the value assigned to it, y plus 30. You can see the program. With this program, you can understand it. You will start your program by writing the class name, then you will write the main function of Java. I have taken two variables, x and y. In y, I have stored 20 and in x, I have assigned the value y plus 10. I have used assignment operator equals to, which assigns the value y plus 10. Y means 20, 20 plus 10. So the value of x will be 30. So this will print value of x equals to 30. Okay, 30 is the output of this program. Value of x equals to 30 is the output of this program. In this way, children, we have completed two more very important operators of Java, that is known as logical operator and next is assignment operators. So we have discussed these operators and you have understood the topic very well. Okay, thank you children.